I was walking in the morning. Just listen to this. Can you listen to that? That's a bird inside. Hi, birdie. Hey, the place where I'm living now, it's like a sanctuary, bird sanctuary. Lots of birds, guys. Okay, guys. Now let's see how many I can do. Can I cross 30 or not? Okay, here goes. Ah, 35, guys. I did 35 today. Let's see how many I can do tomorrow. Guys, generally I show you breakfast, right? Today I thought I'll show you lunch. This is nothing but fluffy boiled rice mixed with curd, sauteed in kadge, curry leaf, and whatever. Varamalaga. Green chili ginger. That's how this curd rice is made. And with the curd rice. Whoa! Look at this, guys. It is semi-mashed potato fried in extremely spicy mixed masala. Sometimes, guys, I'm telling you, the simplest of things give you maximum joy. And for dessert, we have payasam, heavily flooded with ghee and dense milk, highly sweetened. After the spicy meal, I'm gonna have a sweetened payasam. My wife is giving me a spoon. As I said, I don't need that. I'm an Indian. I would love to eat like an Indian. Look at my hands, fingers. It's all clean. Okay. See. Look at the chili on top of that curd rice. I just want to have just curd rice alone. Because it is so hot outside. I thought I'll try curd rice alone first. Without any mixing. Oh, biting into the chili. I'm telling you guys, out of the world. Okay, now I'm gonna take the spicy potato masala and I'm not going to mix with curd rice. I'm just gonna add along with the curd rice like this, see? And oh God! Oh my God! The potato masala is so spicy, but when it goes along with the tanginess, the creaminess of the curd rice, and inside your mouth, when you mix all these things together, oh God, the flavor, your taste buds, first they tingle, then they go numb. Oh God, I'm telling you guys, just try it home. Ask your mother to make, wife to make, or you make yourself. It's very simple to make. There you go. You need to see how I mix it. Take little bit of this spicy masala, take little bit of curd rice and go. Wow! See, I've seen many people throwing away the curry leaf. Don't do that, guys. Mix everything and grind it up in your mouth. When you are eating in your house, don't see all this table etiquette, making noise and stuff. Public place, of course, you need to have table etiquette. But in your house, I'm telling you, just enjoy it. Oh, this is better than any non-veg, guys. These are the dishes that really make me wonder, why don't I go vegetarian? Peace out, guys. The video is not over. I'm going to show you something very different in my Daytona. The exhaust note of Daytona. Please wait. Not because I have a Daytona, I'm telling you this, but the best sounding exhaust of a Superbike from 600 to liter class category, I'm telling you, Daytona sounds the best, even though it's inline 3. If any of you decide to differ from what I said, please to comment and tell me which sounds better than Daytona. Okay, now I'll show you the idling sound of Daytona and when you rev, and with an exhaust of Acropovic, I'm telling you, it tops the chart. Here, right here, the rest everything is here. And if you guys think I'm wrong, please do comment and tell me which other bikes or which other exhaust note sounds better.